For this problem, we are going to be finding mean deviation. Problem number 5, the mathematics department at Penn State offers 8 sections of basic statistics. Following are the number of students enrolled in these sections. So when finding the mean deviation, our first step is to find the mean. That's where we add up all the numbers and divide by the total number of observations, which was 8. When we find the mean, we find that it's 38.75. For step 2, what we do is we subtract the mean from each observation. So we take this 38.75 and we subtract it from each one of these observations. Now, we are looking for the absolute difference, so this means if you get a negative number, you convert it to a positive. I'm going to show you what that looks like right here. Okay, we're going to look at the first one, which is 34. We take the observation minus the mean. So 34, we subtract 38.75, we get a negative 4.75. We need to make that into a positive because we are looking for the absolute deviation or the absolute difference. So we do that for each one of our observations here. And this is what you're going to end up with. What we're looking for is we need to find this absolute deviation over here on the right. So that's what we're looking for. Next, we're going on to step 3. Step 3 says to sum the absolute differences found in step 2, then divide by the number of observations. So we found if we add all of these up, total equals 48. So we will do 48 divided by 8, and that gives us 6. So this means that the mean deviation is 6, that the number of students enrolled in each section deviates on average by 6 from the mean of 38.75 students.